Hey man, look, fuck all that. I don't understand that. Y'all need to keep this shit English.
Ah, sí, para que pase el dinero, pero eso mañana.
Come on now, dog.
Mañana que pagamos.
Come on, man.
Ah, pero coge el otro teléfono.
Where's Jennifer? Hello.
Hello.
Where's Jennifer?
Delivery Walmart.
Where's Jennifer?
Jessica.
Okay, where's Jessica? You not Jessica. Where's Jessica?
No speak English.
You
I'm sorry.
speak motherfucking English because you just told me that the account said Jessica. Where's Jessica?
Jessica, yes.
Where's she at? You not Jessica. Where's Jessica?
Is Jessica my wife?
Man, stop playing with me. What?
Oh, go get your wife then, because I'm not signing for that. I'm finna call Walmart and report it.
Is la vice is camera.
You're not Jessica.
Jessica.
You're not Jessica.
No, Jessica, my wife.
I'm not taking it. Return it.
Okay. ¿Es un edificio? No, es una casa. Pero tiene que, hay que hacerla, hay que tocársela para dársela ahí. Sí, porque hay que firmar, bro.
Return the item. I'm not taking it. You're not Jessica.
Espérate. Diga.
Return the item. You're not Jessica. I'm not accepting it.
Is Jack, por favor, please.
No.
Is one moment.
Return the item. I'm not taking it.
No, pero no, para volver. Cuando los muchachos no le gustan salir, tú se le enseñas y ellos dicen que no. Solamente ahora mismo me tocó este que hicieron el firma. Tiene que firmar el señor. Esto tiene que firmar, sí, pero... ¿No te abren la puerta? No. ¿No te abrió? No. Ah, pues, pucha. Es devolución. Is Walmart. I'm sorry.
What? Hello?
Hello,
Yes,
I am
what you want?
Jessica.
No, the fuck you're not Jessica, and I got customer service on the phone. Return the fucking item. Now, I'm not gonna tell you again. Get the fuck off my porch.
Hi.
Get the fuck off my porch. Take it back. I just told the man who delivered it. He not Jessica. Take it the fuck back.
Oye, esa señora dice que yo no soy Jessica.